Eric Muathe, Muathe.com, with a review for NVAX. I have to say I'm pleasantly surprised by how this stock has suddenly been moving briskly over the last 3 weeks or so, up about 4% today. And again, just want to rehash this understanding that what it takes for a stock to be moving so well. Number one, the most important thing for a stock to be on fire, again, just so that we can always crystallize this, is stocks trading above 69.1 on their monthly, especially during a monthly breakout. So remember, we are talking about this week, what moves stocks is this minimum requirement that on the monthly, at least RSI moving to 3-year highs. So at least two things. One, either the RSI is moving to 3-year highs, or two, that the monthly RSI is trading above 69.1. So you got those. Either of those is what you're always looking for if you want to own a stock with momentum. So keep that in mind. So for this week, again, let's rehash that. RSI moving to 3-year highs, it's very simple. Or that the monthly RSI moves above 69.1. 3-year high on the monthly RSI, or the monthly RSI is moving above 69.1. And at the same time, would like to see, when all that is taking place, that the MACD confirms the move by the MACD trading at 3-year highs or at all-time highs. So very simple. The ultimate Muathe breakout is what we should always be looking for. Even though the market can be confusing, we look at so many things. We look at sectors, market behavior, different technical aspects. The main ingredient to your success is making sure that you are always on the lookout for the ultimate Muathe breakout. Now, again, to crystallize what moves stocks is this move here above 69.1. That's why the stock is moving well for you over the last couple of weeks. Also, we see that the strength is being confirmed again by the fact that even the weekly RSI is trading above 69.1. So that's an added push as far as the stock is concerned. And to add on to this, even the daily continues to trade above 69.1. So that being the case, that means that this one continues to be strong because the monthly, the weekly, the daily, they are all trading above 69.1. And you can see here that after 2 days of rest, so let me show you this on a 3-year monthly chart. So give me a second here. So on this 6 months daily chart, you can see that we've had 2 days of rest. And then now, so 2 days of rest after the stock recorded this daily closing high. And now we are breaking out, or actually broke out yesterday with a day number 4 breakout, making this a new daily breakout. And also this breakout on the daily is taking place with another push, yet another push above 69.10. So even though the market can be confusing at any given point, if we stick to the principles of how the monthly MACD is trading in respect to the ultimate Muathe breakout, and also how the MACDs are trading in respect to the MACD on the monthly moving above 69.1, pretty much the same principles on the ultimate Muathe breakout, and also having an understanding of how your stock is trading relative to the monthly price breakout, weekly price breakout, and the daily. As you can see here on the daily, we have this nice day-to-day breakout after 2 days of rest. Unfortunately, when we looked at the weekly chart, and this is 2 years worth of data, we can see that we did not have 2 days or 2 weeks of rest. We needed 2 weeks of rest for this recent move to be a fresh breakout. But because it only broke out or moved to new highs after 1 week of rest, this is not a fresh breakout, but rather it is a continuation of the previous weekly breakout here. And that distinction is important. It tends to suggest that week to week,
This is not a fresh breakout. You would have loved to see 2 weeks of rest so that you can now start a new push and a new move higher. So because we didn't get 2 weeks of rest, this is a continuation of this move here, this breakout. And anyway, the reason here is to crystallize that when stocks are moving higher, what you need to see is the ultimate Muathe breakout. If you're looking for stocks to buy, it is important that you make sure they meet this requirement, because this requirement is what is the signature for any stock that is going to be setting itself up for a major move. The ultimate Muathe breakout is the key to your success. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. Woo! E-A-C-S. Namaste.